these refs today, bro.
Hey, set it up. Don't be lazy with it. Force it. Force it. Hey, baby. Fight it, fight it. There you go. Hit it.
I need to cross it. Are you doing slide?
Hey, top too late.
He's tall. He's got it. Left, Jayden.
Hey, don't reach up. Drop to the leg, drop to the leg. Don't reach up like that, because he's probably killing himself. I'm trying to turn, but he can't hit me.
Hey, you gotta start yelling.
Don't reach up like that. You have to keep yourself.
Oh, yeah. You know, it's funny, these people behind us are saying that he couldn't take this beat down. I'm like, look at the size difference.
That's good.
Run him out, run him out! Great!
All right. Right, T. Nothing if our mouse will switch to double. Hey, do it again. Do it again. Double to the leg.
Good! Drop down!
Double up. Base. There you go.
You need to get to the ankle.
Good job. 2-1.
Pull that arm over your head.
Antonio Ronaldo, Golden Valley. Antonio Ronaldo, Golden Valley. To Matt 9.
Good up to your face. There you go.
Facing you again. Turn to him. Go. Praise God. Move forward.
Push.